Or some things circulating on the internet. And my good friend, the leader of the opposition, is among those who have circulated, and I'm being very polite, euphemistic, circulated concerns about digital payments. There is no attempt by the government to remove cash, meaning paper money, from the system. Just stop for one moment. Just be rational. Why would the government spend billions of dollars to change currency to a new, durable banknote that we don't have to be changing it ever so often, only to turn around and take it out of the system? Don't you see it is stupidness? But the number of people who have followed it gets me worried about what Jamaicans are consuming as information. I'm worried. Where is our reasoning? And why is it so simple for us to be attracted by rumors? As your Prime Minister, I have a duty to call it out when I see it. We have spent money to put in place a new, durable note that accounts for the inflation in the society, the convenience of the notes that you need to make payment, and then to just turn around and say no? Come on. It's stupid.
Once again, we see this government creating problems for itself and for the people of Jamaica by making announcements and doing things without the necessary preparation being laid. So we've spent billions of dollars to introduce these new banknotes, and now we're being told that they can't be introduced because the existing ATM machines can't accommodate them and will have to be retrofitted, and that's going to be causing further delay. You know, this is a year later after the famous announcement of it to much fanfare by the Minister of Finance back in March 2022. And now we have the Prime Minister driving fear into people by saying that we're going to go fully digital. And that involves digital currency issued by the central bank and the phasing out of cash and so on. And this is in a society where many people don't have internet access still, and where cash is very much used, especially by less well-off people. And many people don't have bank accounts, many people don't have access to banking services. Now, the truth is that the digital currency is going to be an option that people can use. It cannot be mandatory. There's nothing in the law to make it mandatory at this point in time. But the way it's being sold is as if it's imminent and it's going to replace cash in the near future. And of course, there's no preparation for that. The central bank issued some digital currency a year ago and it's hardly taken off. People are really not using it. The adoption of it by the population has been relatively slow. You know, the Prime Minister needs to calm down and move in a more measured way and take the people along with full understanding that this is not going to imperil them or put them at some kind of disadvantage.